My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will discuss a highly significant topic essential for our faith and actions: trust and betrayal. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, identified 3 signs of a hypocrite, one of which is betrayal of trust. Through this video, we will strive to understand the broader meaning of trust and its importance. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The signs of a hypocrite are 3: when he speaks, he lies; when he makes a promise, he breaks it; and when entrusted, he betrays the trust." In the past 2 sessions, we have discussed lying and breaking promises. Today, we will shed light on trust and betrayal. Emphasis on trust and verses of the Quran. In the Holy Quran, Allah commands, "Indeed, Allah commands you to render trusts to whom they are due." Surah An-Nisa 58. In a hadith, it is mentioned, "He who is not trustworthy has no faith." This clearly indicates that trust is an integral part of faith. The broader meaning of trust. In our society, the concept of trust is often limited to specific acts, such as safeguarding someone's money or belongings, returning something entrusted to you at the appropriate time. While this understanding is correct, the Quran and Hadith encompass a much broader meaning of a trust. The Arabic meaning of trust. In Arabic, Amanah, trust, means placing reliance on someone. Anything given to someone with the confidence that they will fulfill its right is a trust. The covenant of a last. The Quran, in Surah Al-Ahzab, mentions, "Indeed, we offered the trust to the heavens and the earth and the mountains, and they declined to bear it and feared it, but man undertook to bear it. Indeed, he was unjust and ignorant." This trust is the responsibility of our entire life, actions, and duties. The human body as a trust. Allah has entrusted our bodies to us, which include eyes. This great blessing comes with restrictions. Looking at impermissible things, such as non-mahrams, is a betrayal of trust. The Quran states, "He knows the treachery of the eyes and what the breasts conceal." Surah Ghafir 19. Ears, listening to music, gossip, or lies falls under betrayal. Tongue, the tongue is a significant blessing, but using it for lying, backbiting, or hurting others constitutes betrayal. The dangerous consequences of betrayal of trust. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "When the trust is lost, await the hour." Sahih Bukhari. Betrayal not only causes harm in worldly matters but also results in severe punishment in the hereafter. Practical lessons. Recognize your responsibilities and fulfill them with honesty. Use your bodily faculties in ways that please Allah. Return entrusted belongings with care and integrity. Dear viewers, trust is not merely a responsibility but an essential part of our faith. We must strive to be trustworthy in all matters to earn the pleasure of Allah. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the importance of trust and act upon it. Ameen. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more beneficial content.